Hey T-Bags, what's going on? I just want to say before I start this tech review, because it is a tech review, I bought something again. I just want to say thank you for all the support. I know I've been playing some random games recently and bringing some old games back. So I just want to say thank you T-Bags so much, and you are literally amazing. If I could say anything else or do anything else, I wish I could. But I just want to say, the only thing that I can say is thank you so much for all the support. I hope you could continue on supporting me, even through when I'm crazy and playing Roblox and being a baby. Yeah, that happened. That actually did happen. So, like I say, I'm weird. I'm wonderful. I'm nuts. You know what? I'm just a weird person, okay? But that's why I'm on the internet. All weird people are on the internet. Are they? I have no idea. Anyway, let's get on with the tech review. So, as you guys know, I bought a Logitech G Pro wireless mouse, I think it's called. I'm pretty sure. And also I got a Logitech G Pro keyboard. And now I got this for a reason, because it goes with my Logitech G Pro wireless mouse, which you still have to record it. You still have to charge it with like the charger thing wire, but I have now, and I needed to get a new mouse, but you know what, I'm just going to show you. I have the PowerPlay, which is actually pretty cool. I've not actually tried it yet, but I've seen demonstrations of it. But the PowerPlay, is it called the G Pro PowerPlay? I don't know. Anyway, if you've got any like G wireless mouses, there's also different mouses that work on this. Anyone's with like this back panel on it here will work with it. But this actually will charge it all the time. I know you're thinking, well, if it charges it all the time, won't it damage the battery? I was thinking that as well, but apparently it doesn't charge it as much. If it gets to 90%, I think it cuts off, but it continuously wildly charges, and it's a mouse pad as well. And I've always wanted another mouse pad, because the mouse pad that I've got now is kind of old and I need to get a new one. So yeah, I got this. I'm going to open it. I don't know how I'm going to record this as while I open it. It's going to be quite weird, but I'm going to try to do that and see how it goes. I might just hold the pieces up and stuff like that and hold it and like kind of explain to you, because I really don't have my tech like showcase thing, you know, like a camera down at the bottom pointing down and you can see me open it. I don't really have that set up. I can record it with with my phone, but it's not actually that great what I do. But anyway, we are gonna try to open this up without damaging the box, because I kind of want to keep it. But as you can see on the back, you can actually see everything it is. There's like two different mouse pad types. You've got between like soft and hard or whatever. You've got, this is the bottom, and there's a coil in it where it charges, and if it connects to it, it will charge. And you get that as well, which will go in your mouse. And some other shit. Probably a sticker. I'm most likely there's a sticker in there. I bet it's got a G on it or something. Let's have a look. Let's figure out how to open this masterpiece. I'm guessing it's just a slide. Move my tea over there, because I don't want to break that real quick. Let me just move that. You know what? I have a feeling that I will spill my tea. Most likely. Now, how do I open this? Does it just drop? Is it one of them droppy ones? Nope. Okay, right. It is one of them droppy ones, isn't it? The box has already been broken. Great. You gotta love it when you get stuff from like different places and the box is already broken. Oh, wow. I never even fucking cut the plastic. I thought I did. Okay, let me cut the plastic real quick. That's probably why. Cutting the plastic. It is one of them drop ones though. So I'm actually excited to use this, because also you can use it. So instead of hooking my like USB dock, so it makes it wireless, into my computer, you can plug it into this and it makes another USB port free, I guess. So there we go. Keep playing. That's nice. That's nice. I like that. So what we're going to get first, this feels like the thing that you put over it. You know what? Why am I so more excited for the sticker? I have no idea. But anyway, this is the thing that you put on top of it. So we'll put that there for a real sec. And this is the main piece. That actually feels soft. I don't know if it actually comes off. I think that comes off. So somewhere in here, there's a coil. I think somewhere here. And also, you've got other wire that you can plug it in here, which will make it USB. And you can plug something else into this thing. We're gonna have to look at that because you know what, I'm kind of more confused than anything else now. So, oh, that's it. It doesn't give you a USB port. You don't have to plug your USB for your mouse in, because when this is plugged in, it kind of, the mouse pad actually kind of works as a dock, which is kind of cool. So that's the wire. And then you've got, I'm surprised there's not a sticker yet. Why isn't there a sticker? Then you've got this here, which actually is the thing that makes it charge. So you basically, you remove that at the back of it and you put that there. And it's magnet, which I'm guessing it will help that, I guess. Let's see. So if we pull this out real quick, it'll kind of tell you that you can actually turn it on and stuff like that. You know what? I don't know. But it will tell you a few things, and you just plug it into your computer. There's a lot of things that I need to learn yet. So, and I bet you there's a sticker in here. I bet you there's a sticker. Why am I so excited for the sticker? Listen, you've always got. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. I've already got like another one of these over there. I knew there was going to be a sticker. Some warranty stuff and other Bojangles. I don't know. But yeah, just random stuff that you probably don't need. So let's read this together, shall we? I'm guessing, like I said, you plug it in where your dock was. Where does this go? So number one. You take that thing out and turn it off. Turn your mouse off. Okay, we can do that. I'm turning my mouse off. So it's now off. It's on red, as you can see. Boom, it's red. And then you... where's two? You plug this into... Hold on, I'm putting that down there for a second. Oh, okay, we're going to do this live, you know, because I don't mind doing it live. I've already got that over there. So let me get rid of my old mouse pad real quick. Oh my God, it's so dusty on here. You can see my true colors. So this is my old mouse pad, really long. We're getting rid of that. Bye-bye. So, yeah, then you've got to get this, right? Now, I don't know how long this is, but I'm going to put it down through the hole that I made ages ago. Hopefully it will work. Ooh, it might not actually, because it's completely on the opposite side. Ooh, okay. We'll figure that out. So, what does it do? Put this mouse pad down here. I need to see how big this mouse pad is. So we'll put that down. We'll put this down here real quick. Ooh, that moves. I don't like that. Oh, because it's on plastic. That's why. Take the plastic off first. Also, I swear to God, this comes off. Yes. This is the other one. So you don't need that on. This is the main thing. You see that coil there? I don't know if you can see that. You see that? That's what charges it. You see? There, it goes all the way around there. That's what charges it. So it's kind of like a wireless thing, which is pretty cool. I kind of like that. So remove the plastic. Let's remove the plastic real quick. Oh, that's sticky plastic. Put it there. I probably should clean it first, but hey. So then you've got the option of this thin one. This thin one. Or you've got the option of a harder one, I think. So, I might try the thin one for now. Then you put that on top of that, right? Okay. That's like that. Kind of connected. Boom. Bob's your uncle. That shouldn't move. Well, it shouldn't, but it might. I need to make sure it's fine. So then this needs to go, plugs into the back of it. This is going to be weird. I don't know how I'm going to do this. So I'm plugging this in at the back of it. I know you can't see it. I know some people like to see it visually, but Unfortunately, I can't do that right now. So anyway, this is plugged in. Then it tells me to plug it into my computer. Where is my thing? So my thing's up there. So I have to plug it in all the way around there. Let's see if this works. So I'm going to take this out real quick. Let's take this out, my other dongle. You know what? So that's my dongle for my mouse. If you can see it. Probably can't. It's trying to focus. But you know what it is. USB dongle. So I'm plugging this in. Boom. It's on. Okay. It's turned on. Which is nice. I think it spotted something. And then it tells me number 3. Put this thing in. Okay. Put it in. I need to undo this. Which I can do. Boom. And then I need to put this one in. So I got to put this one in. Boom. That's in. And then I need to... Number 4. Turn it back on. Oh my god, that was easy. That was... Wait, is it charging? Does it charge? Does it... Wait. That was so... What? That was so easy. So now I don't have to use that. It's already connected. I could put that in there, look after them. And it's done. It's literally... Like, listen. Like, follow them steps. And it's simple. Like, you don't need to see it visually. Just follow them steps and you're done. I'm really surprised about that. So it's back on. I don't know if I can go to my Logitech hub thing. It might show it, it might not. There you go, it's showing it. So if I can go to somewhere to show you it. Hold on, let me have a look. So as you can see in the corner right now, you can see my new, it needs a firmware update. So we're going to install a firmware update. Also, I've got my G Pro thing as well. So I've got like 3 Logitech Pro items, which I like Logitech. Logitech are good in, like, if they're working together, like as a hub thing. So I'm installing that right now. I want to see what the features are. Like, obviously, I've always been wanting this. I tried to get it back in the day, but it was out of stock so much. So as you can see, I've got my Pro Wireless Power Play and also my Pro G keyboard wireless thing. Actually, it's not wireless. That's just a Pro keyboard. So let's click on this. Let's see what it does. It does colors. You know what? We're going to have it a lovely purple color. You know, I'm down with. We can sync lights, but I'm not really bothered about that. We've got effects. Cycle, so we can have a cycle on if we want. Audio things, screen. Connected, so it's connected. It just stays connected. It's pretty good. Firmware is updated. Now, does it see, the mouse is constantly charging. If I take it off that, it's not charging. Put it back on. That is crazy. Like, I'm hovering over the mouse pad that much. And it's charging. And I tell you what, you can feel the, like kind of the pulling of the magnet. That feel, you know what? That's kind of amazing. Like, you can see it right there, right? It's up. I'm holding it right now. It's up. You can see it's not charging. You can see the battery of the mouse not charging. When it gets that thing, I'm going to drop it. It's not touching, 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 not touching. It's going to get lower. Still not touching, by the way, and it's charging. Now I'm going to drop it. Now it's touching. And it's charging. That is crazy. I like that. The only thing I'm scared of, if I spill my tea on it. That is the only thing that I'm scared of. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tech review. I know it was pretty much just looking at my face, but hey, you also get like the big one, but I might save that just in case if I do spill tea on this, then I'm, you know, kind of safe. But anyway, guys, Thank you all for the support. You teabags are amazing. Hope you enjoyed this tech review of the Power Play G something magic power trap card teabag thing. Thank you for all the support, teabags. You guys are amazing. And I'll see you next time in whatever video I do. Stay classy. Bye.